Good morning there guys, here we are in Glasgow's East End. Temperature at the moment is 2 and we're on Gala Street down in Riddrie here. So Ern Street to the right hand side. Aye, so what can we say about Riddrie? So you're not far away from, oh, wheels are starting to spin, you're not far away from Black Hill here, just walking distance. And this is a place that will never change. You've got a mixture, older people that live here. Almond Street guys left and right. The roads are like glass. Don't know if you can see them, but I'm spinning. My wheels are spinning here. And Cumberland Street guys coming up on the right hand side. Oh, fix the camera. Roads are like glass, so they are. Oof. Feel that? Hear it? So anyway guys, let's explore a wee bit of Riddrie here. The Riddrie is situated in between, let's say, Black Hill, Hag Hill, Camtown. So Dockett Street to the right hand side. Quite icy by the way, so they are. So anyway, let's go and explore Tate Street, coming up here on the right hand side. So we're going to come out here and we're going to go to Cumberland Road. Cumberland Road, where the old library used to be. Oh, slide in. Oh man, they're like glassy. It's like glass. Oh, it's no good this. No good this for a Google motor. See the Black Hill Bowling Club just coming down. So this is us coming down Gala Street. Alright, still sliding. Oh, hear that one? Let's take a right guys. Quite busy here. I'm looking left and right. Come on. Across there guys is Smithy Croft Secondary School. Come on motors. Here we go. Here you have the Riddrie Library, which is now, I think that's gone now, isn't it? No, it's still open by the way. Oh, aye. I always thought that was shut. Tate Street guys. There we go. You get your Kingdom Hall there on the left hand side to me. You got all your shops. Quite bad for double parking down here. You got a wee Greggs, where you go. You've got all these shops anyway. Out the road, pal. He's no paying attention. You know what I mean? Anvil guys, the Anvil bar. You see him, he wasn't paying attention there. Right, the bank's gone now, isn't it? So anyway guys, this road is called Smithy Croft. To my left hand side you've got Lefton Hill Road. Your bookies there. Again, you've got all the wee shops. Haircuts, kebab shops, Indian Hair Beauty, Practice Dental, Hair Studio, Hood, whatever that is, Gaucho, is that Gaucho? Gaucho Barbers, I don't know, that was meant to be there. So, I get the BT, wee building there on the left hand side, that's the BT service station. You get Premier Shop, St Thomas's. Nice big chapel that, innit? Nice that height it. Aye. St Thomas's on the left hand side. I think the other one on the other side is St Enoch, I'm not too sure. Aye, and then you got all the shops along here. Suntan 101, the Butcher's, the Salon, You Save, and you've got Rounds Deli. I've not been in that Rounds Deli, I need to get a try. Anyway guys, this is Riddrie. The old Vogue Bingo, still going. The Vogue Bingo down here on the left hand side. It used to be Trust Motors, wasn't it? Further on. Now it's, what's it called again? Forget what it's called again. Anyway guys, this is what you call a video with no script, just life. Innit? Heavens also, because I've just clocked it there. There we go guys, back into Day Street. We need to take our time here because the roads are like glass. We'll run up. Just like you see a wee bit of Riddrie. Pearson Street guys, the right hand side there, just past it. So she's running parallel with Proven Road. Gough Street, and the right. Oh aye, let's get out of here because the roads are, streets are, aye, too slidey. I don't like when they're this slidey. Quite dangerous. Just looking at that taxi up there, what's happening to him? Can you see him? No, can't see him, but that taxi is just spun. Yeah, he's just waved me there. Gary Street. That taxi guy just came out there and just puts two horns up. And Girvan Street to the left hand side. Gary Street down there to the right. You get Devon Street coming up here on the left hand side. So I'm not going to stay in here too long guys because the roads are just too bad. From Horn Street in it to the right hand side in there. Dunart Street coming up here on the right hand side and left. Dunart Street. Far up you've got Bora Street. Oh aye man, like glass, absolutely like glass. See if you can count how many times I've said like glass in this video. Let's get back onto Cumberland Road. Let's get myself out of here and we'll head up Lefton Hall Road and we'll show you the other side of Riddrie. So anyway guys, from out of Dunart Street onto Cumberland Road, let's take a left. Bora Street to the left hand side, and there you also get coming up, you get Tweed Crescent, you get Leader Street, and Gala Street where we were. So we've kind of done a wee circle there. So let's take a right down to Ness Street. This side of Riddrie looks a bit better than the other side. So next street onto Smithycroft Road and we'll head up Letham Hill Road. The Clenny boys early, just sitting having their wee break. Let's take a right up Letham Hill Road. Get Letham Hill Place up here on the right hand side. And this is the back side of Barlinnie Prison. If you can see on the left hand side, you just see the corner of the prison. The big jail, the big house. So we'll run that up the back end of it and we'll let you see. With all the parcels got flung out of right out of war. There's Barlinnie, guys. Here we go, look at that. The big house. So you get prison watch up here, in which you've got all your cameras running along the side of this wall. So we'll follow this one out straight up here. Snippet of Riddrie here, guys. Don't got to do a lot here because, as I say, the roads aren't in the best of condition here to start battling about these streets. My wheels are not the best on this. Wee bit of grit there, isn't there? Aye man, need to go slow here. Somebody's wee caravan in there, yeah, ready for its holidays. So anyway guys, I'm going to end the video here. Wee bit of Riddrie. As you can see a wee bit of Cranhill shops. So anyway, until next time, cheerio!